electrical appliances. Ask your parents to help you get ready to evacuate.
Check for emergency update on the radio or smartphones.
Never try to cross flowing water. The day is saved. Thanks for the Powerpuff Girls. Get a step higher in case of flood. Unplug all electrical appliances. Ask your parents to help you get ready to evacuate. Check for emergency updates on the radio or smartphones. Never try to cross flowing water. Get to the highest place you can. And remember, kids, follow these safe steps.